Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another Kata edition on Code Wars in Binary Life. And if you're new to Binary Life, this is a YouTube channel that teaches developers how to code by solving algorithm problems so that you can visualize the walkthrough and the thinking process. Today, we're going to be solving the number of JavaScript developers coming from Europe. Basically, if we're given a list of developers like this is an array, and the array is made up of objects. Each object is a developer having a specific programming language and other information alongside the continent. So we have to return the number of JavaScript developers coming from Europe. So that means we have to loop through all of this. So I'm going to filter the array. So let's try to practice on the filter keyword here. I'm going to open the node server by just typing node on my terminal. Now if I have an array made up of some figures, now if I filter the array, I want to there are many approaches to this solution. I just want to use the filter. If I filter the array such that I can return every number that is greater than 7. This is what I get. I get 8 and 8 and 9 are greater than 7. So I can use that concept here. I can take the array and I filter for every developer. Something like this. I'm going to filter every developer having a continent. A continent equal to Europe. And a language equal to JavaScript. So I can do that, and let's just put it into an array. And let's console log it so that we can see. We got a problem. Well, we have to debug this code and let's see what's the issue. Let's put everything on one line. Okay, it works. I must have returned. I would have done the return statement there. Okay. So this works, and then let's bring it back to, I think I've forgotten how to write it on one line, so I need to return something like that. Yeah, that's it. So I need to return when I put the curly braces here because it's the opening of a new function. So this is going to return the filtered part of the array having a continent equal to Europe and a language equal to JavaScript. And since we need to return the count, we need to return the number, I can just return the length of that array. It passes the test. Now I can shorten the code and just return here. After the filtering, I just return the length. It still does the same job. I can still go further, and from the object I destructure. Instead of dev here, I destructure the continent and the language from the object when I'm looping with the filter, so that here I can just use the continent and the language. Oops, we got an error. I think this will work if we have let's see that. I just want to try something. What if I put that in one line? It doesn't work. I would have missed out something. Okay, right, for now let's just leave it as simple as it is. I must be confusing something. Okay, just stick with what we have right now. So I can run like this, and that's it for this code. Let's just validate and see what other submissions we have regarding this code. So this is basically the same solution we've done. This is the same solution, just featuring 2 times. This is the same thing, and checking increasing the count, if not having 0. We don't need to have all this condition. Oh, this is the reduce function. Okay, I see. Alright, well, you could do the reduce too. Well, this is simple. Everybody is just about the same solution we did, almost everybody. So I'm going to stop here and see you for another kata in another video, guys. And please don't forget to subscribe so that you can help the channel and get notifications from future coding challenges.